Good evening, everyone. We are from Group 2, Industrial Engineering, Class 2, Batch 2020. We will present our final project of facility design. And from our group, there are Marco Chandra Tua, Gana Septi Apni, Muhammad Abdul Aziz, Nova Amir, and Jevina Ebel Teresia. And the table of content, there are two topics for our project. The first is layout design, and the second is cost calculation.
Okay, the version is layout design. Next. The first is input. This is FTC or from to chart of production floor we get from the previous project. This information will be used as the input of the craft to generate the layout. Next. Next is initial layout design. Initial layout design for production floor 2. We have 11 department in here, consists of storage, CO saw, planner, circular saw, jointer, descent, drill press, bench 1, spray booth, bench 2, and bench 3. From the initial layout, we get the cost calculation, which is 2,400,75. Then after this, we will try to optimize the layout by making several iteration. From the several iteration, we choose iteration 1, iteration 7, iteration 9, and iteration 13. From the first iteration, we get the cost calculation, which is 2,100,25. And from the iteration 7, we get the cost calculation, which is 2,090,75. Next. Okay, the next is iteration 9 and iteration 13. From the iteration 9, we get the cost calculation, which is 1,700,25. And from the iteration 13, we get the cost calculation, which is 1,600,75. Next.
Okay, and next is ARC for office and factory. ARC or Activity Relationship Chart is a tool that we use to determine, and we put its relation code for each pair of department. In this project, we will make two ARC. The first is for office, the second is for factory. ARC is a qualitative analysis method, so we don't calculate or we don't use any number to represent the relationship. Instead, we will use alphabet code. Seems like A, E, I, O, U, and X. And A is absolutely necessary, and X for avoid closeness. And next is layout for office. For the layout, we use block plan, and there are 3 layouts. And for the best method, we choose is layout number 1 because the layout is have the highest score than layout 2 and layout 3. Next.
Okay. The next is best layout office. To conclude all decision from whole factory, office, and production floor, we summarize the fixed layout of each one of them with the proper AAD using block plan for whole factory and office. Also with the production floor that has generated and improved by craft. The figure represents the AAD layout of whole factory, office, and production floor respectively. The first one is the base layout from office. Why we choose layout 1? for the best layout because the layout 1 score from layout 1 is higher than layout 2 and layout 3. The layout score is 0.71. Next, please. The next is the layout production floor. In this case, we use two methods for the calculate AAD plan, and the second one is using the graph. As we can see in the figure beside, there are three types of layout. This is layout 1, layout 2, and layout 3. Is we can see in the list the best layout. In the layout 1, the layout score is 0.74. The layout 2 is 0.70, and the layout 3 is 0.77. And we choose the layout 3 for the best layout. Next.
Next is best layout factory. The initial layout of the whole factory is generated using block plan algorithm. The data needed to generate the layout are the number of departments, the name of the department, the area of each department, the total area of facility and activity relationship chart or ERC. And the first thing that we have to do is to fill the data required about the department and area of the layout that want to be generated. The system will automatically around the area and analysis the average area and the standard deviation. After that, we need to input the activity relationship chart between the department. It is used to determine the closeness of two or more departments. After all the data required is input, the analysis can be conducted. And in this case, we generate three layouts. And the best layout is the one that's shown in the figure with the layout score 0.61. Next. And this is the layout design template of whole factory. We use scale 1 to 250. As you can see, there are parking, toilet for employee, toilet for operator, canteen, musola, load unload, locker room, healthcare, tools cabinet, security room, warehouse, production floor, office, and storage. Thanks.
This is section 2. This one is called cost calculation. Next. The first one, we calculate material handling cost. After we calculate the material handling cost per product, our product AGGB, AGB, and AGG, we generate the cost per unit per hour as follow the table. So the total is 183 rupiah. Next. And the second one is production cost. After summarizing the overall cost of labor, jobs, machine, and facilities, depreciation, and other costs. All of the cost of output is added up and the outcome is as follows. So the total production cost per hour, the three product is same. This is 5,569 rupiah. And the total production cost per unit per hour for AGGB 129 rupiah, for AGB 142 rupiah, and AGG 198 rupiah. Next. So that's all from my group. Thank you, everyone.